Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, has long been a celestial object of fascination. From its breathtaking rings, which encircle the planet like cosmic jewels, to its myriad of moons that each carry their own secrets, Saturn beckons humanity to peer deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. But it is the strange, perplexing shape at Saturn's North Pole, the hexagon, that continues to baffle scientists and stir the imagination of anyone who gazes upon it. The first hints of this bizarre structure appeared in 1980, when NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft passed Saturn on its journey to the outer reaches of the solar system. At the time, the hexagon was little more than a blurry, fleeting image, an enigma that could be easily dismissed as a trick of the camera or a cosmic oddity too strange to explain. But then, in 1981, Voyager 2 passed by Saturn and captured the same remarkable shape, now undeniably real. What was once a faint curiosity had become a definitive feature of the planet's northern atmosphere. Yet the question remained: how could a perfect hexagon form naturally in the swirling chaos of Saturn's atmosphere? For years, the hexagon remained a mystery, one that researchers could only speculate about. But it wasn't until Cassini, a NASA spacecraft designed specifically to study Saturn, entered orbit in 2004 that scientists could truly begin to understand this extraordinary phenomenon. As Cassini's instruments surveyed Saturn from every possible angle, it became clear that the hexagon was not just a fleeting or random shape. It was an enduring, unyielding storm that had existed for decades, if not longer. It was as though the storm was frozen in time, constantly rotating with a precision and regularity that defied everything we thought we knew about atmospheric dynamics. The hexagon's size was astounding. It stretched more than 30,000 kilometers across, more than twice the diameter of Earth. The winds inside it moved at speeds of up to 322 kilometers per hour, 200 miles per hour, churning the clouds into complex, fluid patterns that resembled a rotating kaleidoscope. Within this vast, six-sided structure, a calm, eye-like center stood at the vortex, where clouds swirled in a perfect, still formation. As Cassini continued its observations, scientists discovered that the hexagon's six sides were not merely a visual oddity. They were a fundamental feature of Saturn's atmospheric behavior, a phenomenon that couldn't be easily explained by conventional meteorological science. The more scientists studied the hexagon, the more they realized that this wasn't just another storm, like Jupiter's Great Red Spot or the swirling clouds of Venus. What made the hexagon unique was its perfect geometry, a shape that seemed to violate the chaotic, unpredictable nature of planetary weather systems. Unlike hurricanes on Earth, which are driven by the uneven heating of the atmosphere and dissipate after a few weeks, the hexagon appeared to be stable, a consistent, unchanging formation that lasted for decades. It seemed to defy the basic principles of fluid dynamics, where turbulence and chaos are typically expected. The mystery deepened as researchers discovered that this seemingly unnatural shape was somehow linked to the planet's rotation and atmospheric currents. After years of studying the hexagon, scientists began to piece together a more coherent explanation. The storm was driven by standing waves in Saturn's atmosphere, a kind of wave that forms when air moves in layers at different speeds. Saturn's equator moves at a different speed than its poles, creating a frictional force that causes the winds to spiral into a unique pattern. As the winds at the North Pole reached a certain speed and intensity, they formed a stable, geometric structure. It was an intricate, almost mechanical formation, a pattern that appeared to be as much a feature of Saturn's weather as its famous rings. This was not an isolated oddity of one storm. Rather, it was a fundamental characteristic of how the planet's atmosphere operated. Scientists found that they could replicate the formation of the hexagon in laboratory experiments here on Earth by simulating fluid layers moving at different speeds. In these controlled environments, they were able to create hexagonal patterns similar to Saturn's, revealing that the planet's storm was a product of fluid dynamics, but one that still contained mysteries beyond our understanding. Even though the principle behind it seemed clear, the question remained: why a hexagon? Why did this stable atmospheric formation choose such an exact, symmetrical pattern when the forces at play could have produced a variety of different shapes? The stability of the hexagon is also a curious feature. Even as Saturn's North Pole undergoes seasonal changes, when sunlight and temperature affect the atmospheric conditions, the hexagon has maintained its form for decades. As the seasons change, the hexagon's colors shift dramatically. During Saturn's long winter, the hexagon appears a pale blue, bathed in the dim light that filters through the distant sun. But as Saturn tilts toward the sun during its summer months, the hexagon's color transforms into a golden hue, as sunlight triggers complex chemical reactions in Saturn's upper atmosphere. It's a stunning spectacle, a constant reminder that even the most bizarre phenomena in space are deeply interconnected with the cosmic rhythms of the planets. Yet, while scientists have made great strides in explaining how the hexagon forms, the reasons for its persistence remain elusive. On Earth, storms rarely last more than a few weeks before losing their strength or dissipating entirely. But Saturn's hexagon has endured for what could be centuries, held together by forces we still don't fully comprehend. Why does it remain so stable, even as Saturn's seasons shift? Why doesn't it break apart like other planetary storms, which often lose their symmetry and dissipate over time? It's as if the hexagon is a natural force unto itself, defying the basic expectations of atmospheric behavior. Despite our growing understanding of the hexagon's dynamics, it still holds many secrets. There is something about its perfect geometry that sparks wonder, a sense that it may hold clues not only about Saturn's weather systems, but also about the nature of fluid systems in other celestial bodies. The hexagon serves as a reminder that nature has the ability to surprise us in ways we can hardly predict. It forces us to challenge our preconceived notions of chaos and order, pushing us to ask deeper questions about how patterns emerge in nature and about how other worlds, with their alien atmospheres, might reveal similar phenomena. But the hexagon is more than just a scientific curiosity. It is, in many ways, a cosmic symbol, a testament to the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. It speaks to our desire for exploration and to the boundless nature of discovery. Even as we learn more about Saturn's hexagonal storm, we're reminded that the universe still holds untold wonders. There is still so much about Saturn, about the planets, and about the cosmos itself that remains hidden from view. The hexagon, in its persistent rotation, beckons us to look further, to question deeper, and to reach for the stars, not only for the answers we seek, but for the questions that are yet to be asked. And as we continue to explore, perhaps we will find new answers that will bring us closer to unraveling the deepest mysteries of the universe. For now, Saturn's hexagon spins on, a perfect six-sided enigma at the heart of a gas giant, a symbol of the unknown, and a reminder that in the vast expanse of space, beauty and mystery often go hand in hand.